Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the second module of Microsoft Excel, that is Sharma Cybersecurity Consulting Excel Module 2 SAM Project A, and this is the title of this project. Let me zoom it for you. And one thing, make sure that before starting you replace 1 with the 2 at the end of your start file. You just need to rename this 1 and replace it with 2. That's it. And the second thing you are going to make sure before starting, that is you have to check your name in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. This is the documentation sheet. You should see your name right there. Okay. So if you want me to do this project for you, or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Statistics, Business Analytics, or much more, you can just text me on the WhatsApp, and you can also email me. You just need to share the files through my WhatsApp, and I will complete the assignment for you and send the file back to you. Then you can submit it. So it's a very economical service in terms of price also, and it's available 24/7, so you can text me anytime. So let's head over towards the first step. The first step is, Yong Choe is a business manager at Sharma Cybersecurity Consulting. She asks you to format the workbook she uses to analyze monthly sales to make the data easier to read and use. On the sales analysis worksheet, change the theme of the workbook to the Office 2013 to Office 2022 theme to use the standard theme. Okay, this is the sales analysis. So we have to change the theme of the workbook. So to change the theme, you should go to the page layout tab, and here in the theme section you should find this theme button. Now you have to check Office 2013. Since I was using a pirated Office version, so that's why I'm not seeing 2013. I can only see Office. You should see the Office 2013 right there. Okay, 2013 or 2013 right there. In these locations you will find Office 2013 or 2019. So I will use Office theme. Okay, you should select 2013 or 2022. If you do not see the 2013 or 2022, then you can select only Office theme. Okay, moving to step number 2. Start by formatting the heading on the sales analysis worksheet to make them more prominent as follows. Merge and center A1 to G1. Select the range A1 up to G1. Go to the Home tab, and here you will find, in the alignment group, you will find this arrow. Click here and select Merge and Center. That's it. Apply heading 1 style to the range A1 to G1. Since we have already selected this range A1 to G1, to apply the heading style, go to the Home tab, and in the Styles group you will find Cell Styles, and here you will need to select heading 1 like this. Merge and center the range A2 up to G2. Again, select the range A2 up to G2. In the Home tab, in the alignment group, you will find this merge and center. Change the font color of the merged range A2 up to G2 to blue gray text 2. Since I have selected this already, A2 up to G2, now I need to change the font color. For this I need to go to the font group on the Home tab. That was blue gray text 2. Yeah, this is the font color that I need to apply. Change the font of the merged range A1, G1, A2 up to G2 to Californian FB. Okay. For this, I need to select both the ranges A2, A1 up to G2, and the whenever you want to change the font of any text, first of all select that and go to the home tab. In the font group you will find this. Now you can search for Californian FB. Right there you can see it has been already selected, so you just need to press enter. That's it. So we are done with this step as well. So we have completed the two steps, the two project steps of this assignment. Moving to step number 3, that is, next Young needs you to format the report date and the average sales information to separate it from other sales data as follows. Change the background color of the range A4 up to G4 to gold accent 4 letter 80. First of all, we need to select the range A4 up to G4. This is the one, A4 up to E4 or G4. This is up to E4, sorry. Select the range A4 up to E4. And now we have to change the background color to gold accent 4 lighter 80%. To change the background color, first of all select the range, and here in the home tab this arrow will be the background color changing, gold accent 4 lighter 80. Yeah, this is the one, gold accent 4 lighter 80. Format cell A4, C4 and A12 as bold to emphasize the text. A4, C4 and A12. A4, C4 and A12. Whenever you are asked to select non-adjacent cell, you can select it by pressing the control key like this. I've selected all those, just click the bold. That's it. Now next is format the B4 to use the date format with a 2-digit month, 2-digit day and 2-digit year. Month, day, year, MDY. This is B4. To change the formats, you need to go to the home tab, and in the number group just click that launcher, and here you have to look for 2-digit month, day and year, MDY. So this is the one, 2-digit month, 2-digit day and 2-digit year. This is the one. That's it. So we are done with the third step of this project. Moving to step number 4, that is, Young also wants you to format the table headings to clarify they are heading as follows. Format the range A6 up to E6 and A13 up to G13 as italic. So there are two non-adjacent ranges. So let me select it, A6 up to E6, and I'm pressing the control key now. Okay, A13 and up to G13. So I have selected both the ranges, and now I will apply italic formatting. So just click this in the home tab in the font group. That's it. Well, anyhow, if you are finding it difficult, just send me a message on WhatsApp, and I will complete those assignments for you in the complete course, even the textbook projects, the capstone project, the SAM projects, even the exams. So you can text me anytime. Apply horizontal centering to the content of each cell in the range B6 to E6 and B13 to G13. B6 to E6, and next is B13 to G13. I'm again pressing the control key now. Now it says apply horizontal centering. So this is the centering that is applied horizontally. Change the background color of the range A6 to E6 and A13 to G13. A6 to E6 and A13 to G13. We need to change the background color to blue accent 1 lighter 60. Go to the home tab. This is the one. Change the background color of the range A7 to A10. A7 to A10 and A14 to A23. Again pressing the control key. A14 to A23. Blue accent 1 lighter 80. Again go to the home tab in the font group. Blue accent 1 lighter 80. That's it. Now we are done with the step number 4 as well. Moving to step number 5, that is, Young wants the total row in each table to stand out. She asks you to apply the total cell style to the range A10 to E10 and B23. Okay, let me select first A10 to E10 and B23 to G23. Keep in mind that whenever I am selecting non-adjacent cell, I'm also pressing the control key, so the total cell style should be applied. So to apply total cell style or any of the style, go to the home tab. In the styles group you will find this cell styles. Now you have to apply the total. That's it. So we are done with the step number 6 as well. Let me see how many steps are remaining. Okay, there are 12 of those. Okay, I'm almost halfway through, but I will try to complete as much as I can. The row heading in the sales to data table needs to be formatting so it is clear that they each apply to the 3 rows of the data. Okay, merge in center A14 to A16. A14 to A16, merge in center. Next it says, and then center the content vertically. So this is the vertical centering. Now it says use the format painter to apply A614 to OK. I will select this first. I will now click on the format painter, and then I will select the A17 to A19, and again click here, format painting, and again let me see if am I correct, A20 to A23. Yeah, so I'm good enough with this. Format the ranges A14 to A22. Rotate the cell contents to 90 degree. So I'm selecting all those. Okay, going to the alignment group, and here I need to write 90. Now you see it has been angled to a 90 degree. So step number 6 has been completed. Well, that's it for this video. I guess it's long enough. If you want me to complete the next part, do text me. I will upload the second part as well, or I can send you the video of the second part. And also, if you want me to do this assignment for you, just text me on the WhatsApp or the email. You can share your files right there, and I will complete the file and submit it back to you. Then you can submit it on your portal and get it graded. One more thing is also there. If you do not want to download even the files, you can send me your login as well. So I will take care of that login, and I will upload all your due assignment within the specified time. So see you in the next video. Do subscribe my channel. Till then, take care.